Hamamatsu, 1922. A teenage Soichiro Honda walks toward a smoky garage, grease on his shirt, obsession in his step. At night, he sleeps under broken cars, warmed only by the heat of cooling engines and his mechanical dreams. By 1937, he builds pistons by hand for Toyota, filing rings obsessively, chasing perfection with blistered fingers. 1945, US bombs obliterate his factory, but instead of quitting, Honda sells the rubble and reinvests everything. In 1946, he bolts a salvaged engine to a bicycle frame. Japan starts moving again. He tests it through narrow alleys and bombed-out streets. No helmet, no headlights, just raw movement and insane will. That same year, he forms the Honda Technical Research Institute, 10 men, 2 rooms, a vision built on scrap and stubbornness. In 1948, he meets Takeo Fujisawa. The handshake seals it. Honda brings the machines. Fujisawa builds the empire. By the early 50s, the garage becomes a racetrack. The roar of tuned engines drowns out doubt. 1959, Isle of Man TT. Honda enters with the RC-142. No one expects them to finish, they place 6th. Japan takes notice. Back in the workshop, they build engines from scratch. Lightweight, high revving, tested beyond reason. Failure is not feared, it's measured. Out of a simple shed rolls the T360. A tiny pickup with a massive statement. Japan can build world-class cars. 1973, fuel crisis. While others scramble, Honda releases the Civic, CVCC tech, low emissions, unmatched efficiency. Inside, engineers chase balance. Torque versus economy, RPM versus reliability. Then someone draws a split cam profile. 1989, VTEC changes the game. A two-faced engine, calm below 5,500 RPM, wild above. 1990, the NSX launches. Developed with Ayrton Senna, all-aluminum body, supercar soul with daily driver discipline. 1988 to 1991, Formula One, Honda engines dominate with McLaren. Prost, Senna, glory through reliability, not raw power. Then silence creeps in, sales drop, identity blurs, the cars go quiet, but in 2017, the Civic Type R detonates expectations. Nürburgring lap record, turbocharged, all fire, no fluff.